everyone, welcome back to second part of this hens, I guess, page. Started the eggs and the feather in the last episode, in the first episode. Today we're going to do the rooster. We may get onto our hen as well. We'll just see how the time goes, really. You're not going to rush. We'll take it easy and have fun. Now, first of all, he's got this lovely comb on the top of his head. This is going to be red. We're using our Ergosoft pencils. The 29 is the red. If you've only got the 36 set, use your number 2. Okay, but we're going to use 29, make him a very vibrant red colour. Now, she's got one as well. But I don't think that hers would be red, but I don't know. I haven't, I've looked up a few pictures of roosters to work out how he's going to look, and I haven't looked up hens. So, but they, now he also, I'm just having a look at the photo, some of this is red under here, but she can be red all the way around in some of them. I'm not going to sort of try and copy a specific breed and make him look identical, but I'm just trying to make him look so he doesn't look completely silly and unlike a hen. So I'm trying to make it a little darker nearer to the head on these bits. There we go. I think those might be feathers. But anyway, it's done now. Now, this one hen I'm looking at has got some wonderful green tail feathers, and I'm going to do those. So, you notice I've ignored the face. We'll do that in a minute. Number 38 is a really nice, vibrant green. I'm going to use that for all of these tail feathers. And basically, I'm just going to try and make them a little darker near the centre of the feather and lighter towards the edge. It's a little tricky to see, they overlap quite a bit, so I'm just going to do the best I can and not worry too much. It looks quite a vibrant colour, but this one I'm looking at, that's his colour. He has got this colour feather, and they are pretty impressive. What we do need to make sure we do is do some feathers in that colour so that they match the ones we've done already. So they look like they've come off the hen, but I think his body is pretty much this colour. Although he probably wouldn't shed feathers that big. But we won't worry about the practicalities of this. This wasn't a well-planned picture, really. But I think it's going to work. It'll be fine. I'm pressing quite hard. This paper's taking it quite well. But you can just layer up with light layers to press hard. You shouldn't really press hard. But anyway, it's got a sunny day today. I spoke to my mum earlier. She tells me it's not going to last, the sunny weather. It's going to get cold again next week. Because I was saying I didn't know whether to change the covers on the bed. And it starts to get warm. You think, oh, we'll put on the lighter duvet, that sort of thing. I don't know what this is. It looks like a gap. Would there be a gap? Let's leave it as a gap and see if it looks odd. If it is, we'll just colour it in. She's, you know, and we've got 3 weights of duvet. We've got an extremely light summer duvet. We've got a very heavy winter one, and we've got something for in between. Might be wondering whether to take off the heavyweight one and put the in-between one on. But you know, as soon as you do that, it's going to rain or something, or be cold. So I'm undecided. And some nights I'm really hot, and then other nights I'm really glad to snuggle up. You know, I think that needs to be green. Yeah. It look odd otherwise. There we go. So yeah, it's a difficult decision. Just time of year. You know, still getting frost at night. It's going to be quite cold, but we'll see. Let's see what happens. And we've got a bedspread on as well, so I can always throw that off. It's like we have a fight in the night. I'll throw it on to my husband because I'm hot, and then he'll throw it back. Well, when it's cold, we have a fight over who gets the most duvet, so I guess it's I think it's probably the same for most couples. It's not a proper fight. We're in our sleep. If he sleeps really close to me, I get too hot. If he sleeps a bit further away, I don't get so hot. I guess that makes sense. Just depends, really. Now, I think some of the pages in this book, they look quite daunting when you first have a look at them. I think because there's lots of little detail, rather like Kirby Roseanne reminds me of a little bit. It can feel a bit like there's a lot to do, but actually, you see, I've just coloured all of that in one colour, and it was really straightforward, you know. So I don't think it needs to be daunting. Now, according to this picture, there's a bit of green there as well, but I'm not going to do that. There's a sort of golden colour here, and then the browny colour like the feather on the body. So I'm going to keep it a little bit simpler and do it like that. Now the face, I think we'll do the golden colour. So our feather last time, I'm just going to check what I did. 73 and 76. Yeah, we're going to make sure we use the same colour. So we use those two. So we're going to use those again. So 73 is our slightly lighter brown, and we're just going to put that all over the body, really, and the face. You are chicken, got a face. And there's going to be no shading. We've got all these little lines drawn on for us as well, so we don't even need to worry about feathers. So that makes it nice and straightforward for us. That's good fun. So I hope you're all having a good day. I can't guess whether it's the end of the day or the beginning of the day for you. I've got no idea. But for me, it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Nearly time for another coffee. I just drank a coffee that I made for my lunch. It was a bit cold. But anyway, I'm ready for another one already, so I'm going to get one in a minute. And yes, I don't know what time it is for you. I hope you've been having a good day, whether you've been at work or you're at home or whatever you're doing. I don't even know what day of the week this video is going out on, but it doesn't, I mean, a lot of you don't watch them on the day they come out anyway. Just watch them when you've got time. I really appreciate that. I appreciate you taking time to watch my videos. I hope you enjoy them. I certainly enjoy making them, so that's good. Okay, it's not perfect. Doesn't need to be. Here's our darker colour. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go all over the top with this darker one again. So again, nothing too special. On the face, let's do the face. Here you are, there's your little face, a cute bird. Now the hen's body is going to be the same as this. So I don't think I will actually demo it, but I'm not sure whether she would have the same green feathers on there. I think he's going to be the one that's really extravagant. I think she might just be all the same colour, you know. Don't know. I mean, it might depend on the breed that they are, but because I've made it up, gotta guess. So here's our darker colour. It's a little bit more muted. Now I'm going to think about where the shading would go. So I think it's would be darker down at the bottom. So I'm going to put another layer of this darker colour around the bottom. I've got to work out what colour to do the feet. and sort of at the top under these bits as well. Like that, and maybe on the edge of the belly might be some shadow like that. Oops, I went out the lines. And now we're going to go back to the 73, and I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit. It's a bit messy, so, and it will add make it more vibrant. Adding another layer of this on top, which I think is nice. I'm not going to go all the way down to the bottom where I marked it, to try and be a little bit darker though. Just avoid those bits. Then we have our vibrant hen's body. It's rather cool. Now this bit I think needs to be a bit lighter. So in the pictures actually it goes from sort of darker to lighter, so I'm going to use these two. So starting with this one, which is number 49, I'm going to do the tops of these bits. And then finish off with the 16. So it'll be nice and vibrant. I'm going to go over the top of what I've done. Bring that in. That's nice, isn't it? I really like this colour. Really pretty. We need to remember feet. I'm saying that now so I don't forget while I'm finishing. And beak. Now the beak. I'm trying to find a close-up photo. We're a bit far away. The same as the legs. Oh, excuse me, the legs and beak look quite grey, so I'm going to use the colour that's in my hand, the number 16, and make them look really vibrant. I'm sorry it's not right, but that's what I'm doing, because I think they look nice. There we go. There is our Rooster. I think he looks very cool, I have to say, even though I coloured him in. Now the legs, I'm thinking I'm just going to go in with a bit of the 49 to do a little bit of shading at the bottom of the feet and where they overlap, just a tad, nothing much. There we go. It doesn't really show up that much. Okay, I'm going to make that do for today. I think we will do Mrs. Hen tomorrow because I've got to have a think about what colours to do her. Her body we pretty much know, but the rest of it I'm not sure. So I think we'll come back tomorrow and do her and maybe a few other bits and bobs. Oh, excuse me, yawning. And then we're going to make this a sort of fairly long-running series, I think, just in little manageable bite-sized bits. So there's our Rooster and tomorrow our hen. So we've gone from egg to rooster to hen, and then we'll move on to chicks. Maybe a strange order, but never mind. And we're going anti-clockwise around our picture as well, which again is a little odd, but never mind. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, all those things, please, if you want to support the channel. They all do really help. They make a big difference. So just clicking that like, clicking that subscribe, and if you hit the bell, you can decide how often you get notifications when I release new videos and things like that. So that's always a handy one to have a look at. It's all free, takes seconds, and means a lot to me. So thank you to all of you that do that. I know a lot of you do already. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Have fun, enjoy yourself, and happy colouring.